What's up guys, it's your boy John, back again with another video. Today I just want to show you guys key cases I got from Jogan. Now, you want to protect your keys. These are the ones I use on pretty much when I drive the car, and before I put the case on, I dropped it a few times, it got scuffed. This one is still immaculate, brand new kind of. I didn't really use it ever, so everything is still good. So if you guys were looking to protect your keys from everyday wear and tear, I highly recommend Jogan. Now it looks absolutely beautiful, and the carbon weave, beg my pardon, the cart is kind of dirty, but yeah, look at that. That is sweet. But yeah, if you guys were interested in this, I just wanted to show you off. There's nothing much to it besides, it being a key and working. So yeah, very cool product right here. If you guys are interested, links down below.